Hey, it's Tony with Gill Complex on the Road. This week, Larry and I have a little adventure. We may have broken our bed. So watch the video and see what actually transpires and what we do to fix it. We are here at the house, and in a week we're going to be heading out for another trip. But for now, we're here at the house and enjoying the Florida heat. I say enjoying because Larry loves the heat. I don't. But, you know, it is Florida, so we have to deal with it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're coming back and been a channel follower for a while, thank you for coming back. We really appreciate it. Everybody, if you don't subscribe already, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Click the little bell for notifications so you get notified every time we post a video, whether it's a long form or short form video. And like and comment because we appreciate all that stuff. You know, it's for the analytics and the algorithm and all that kind of stuff. So thanks again for watching. We'll get right into the video here in just a minute, right after this.
Raise a toast to the moments that we share with our fluffy co-pilots. Love fills the air. From quirky roadside stops to the view so grand. Life's better together, hand in hand, oh man.
So, a good reason to remember to make a list to put everything away is because that clock, if you can get it.
It's not there, it's on the bed.
Oh, it's on the bed. We forgot to take it down, so it fell and all the batteries came out. And
Went everywhere.
two of them went under the bed. And it went so far that we couldn't get to it. But luckily, we had a magnet on a stick that's our friend Scott gave to us, and we were able to get it under the bed and get them. However, we found four
Screws under there.
screws under the bed, and we have no idea what it goes to. So we're hoping they were just dropped when the rig was built, because we don't know where they go.
2 days later.
So, Larry, what are we doing here?
I don't think we know.
Well, earlier you saw me laying on the floor. We found 4 screws underneath the bed after coming home from our trip. And then yesterday we realized it belonged to the roller. One of the 4 rollers underneath had come completely unsecured from the floor. So now we're taking up the floor of the bed and looking down to see where we can put it back. That's right here. And we noticed that another one looks like it's out of the floor as well. So we are going to be taking this out and trying to figure out the next steps. I feel like we're on This Old House or something. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That piece on the top is loose. It's not attached.
Okay.
And then you can bring the vacuum back. This one is attached, but they put it in. Is there a reason they put it in crooked?
So it is secured to the floor, but it's crooked? Yeah, I don't know. The other one right there, I can see all the remnants.
If this roller here
Yep.
is attached to this board
Yep.
and rolls in with the
No.
oh, it rolls out. Okay, it's in right there.
That one
Gotcha.
rolls this way. Yeah.
So, what I don't understand is why this one.
This one is also at an angle because the other 2 holes are here.
Why did it pull out of the floor? What caused it? And how are we going to get the roller back under there?
Well, let me go get it.
They do put the rollers in after the fact. See, that didn't even feel like it took to me.
Where are you going now? Here?
Because if I, yeah.
And you can turn, you can take 3 out and leave the 1 and just turn it.
Yeah.
As long as it covers the holes and you're not.
Problem is, that's stupid there.
What'd you do?
The screws on it.
Oh. I'll just.
Ready?
Ready.
Watch it rollers.
Yeah.
Anything going on up top? It's making all that noise.
I don't see anything, but
Why is it so damn loud? Maybe because all that's exposed.
maybe. I got the battery or the flashlight and I'm going to watch it go in just to see if there's anything.
Ready?
Yep. So did we figure it out?
Yes.
Deadpan Larry returns.
We did it. I think.
So what did we figure out?
I don't know if we figured out anything more than the roller came across, but once we got in there, we discovered that the roller on the other side was at an angle, so we actually pulled it off and straightened it up. The only thing we can think is maybe it was because it was at an angle, the weight of it on the one side pulled the one side up and caused it to break loose. I don't know.
But we ended up squaring them both off, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we put the board back in, and now we're going to put the stuff back in the basement, then the mattress, and hopefully we're okay.
We'll see. If
Yeah.
it falls out in the yard, we know it didn't work. So 2 things. 1, the slide did not fall out in the yard. Thank goodness. 2, we'd like to send a big thank you to Gary Ray, who helped us and guided us along the way of that little project, and also Jason at Alliance Service, who we emailed back and forth several times and sent us also a diagram of exactly how to take care of that whole problem. So as usual, Alliance was amazing and we really, really appreciate it. So that's that, and we're going to keep an eye on it just to make sure it doesn't happen again, but hopefully we got it all taken care of. So anyway, be sure to like and subscribe, and we appreciate all the people who watch us and acknowledge us. We really, really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.
Rolling down the highway with the windows down. Tony and Larry, we're the talk of the town.